Hello to everyone. Now I just finished my new color of my hair. Did you see? Oh, you see? It's just the Baron Beauty Center. Just here in the compound inside. Okay? Oh, thank you. Thank you very much for watching. And bye. Oh. Look the color. Yeah. Thank you, madam. Thank you for giving me the nice color for your sponsor. Oh, from the Baron Beauty Center. Okay. Oh, I'm just going. Thank you. It's make me feel unique. Oh, I'm here in the building. Oh, inside. Oh, okay. Sorry. Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh. Pag nahangin na, nawala na yung aray ko. But it's make me nice. Huh? It's make me happy for the birthday of Sisi tomorrow. That's why I fix my hair. And my madam, she's giving me sponsor. Thank you, madam. Thank you for the family. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Sisi. Thank you, madam. Oh. You see, I'm walking and I'm walking. Oh, you see? Nice hairs, huh? Not yet. More. 5. Oh, I'm walking and I'm walking. Thank you for my subscriber. Thank you for not subscriber. Thank you for my viewers. Thank you for not my viewers. Thank you for the all sponsor. Thank you very much. Thank you for the support. I have a nice hair. Thank you very much. Hello everyone. Oh, you see my hair. It's make me arty. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget. I'm just walking. Oh, I'm going before the security will see me. You see my hair? You see? I make picture. Bago may security. Aray ko. Walang magawa sa buhay. Okay. So I check first. Thank you. Before the security will say to me. Aray ko. Nahubad na yung pantalon ko. Nice dito. That is the nice. Okay. Yeah. You see? Oh. Excuse me. To make me my hair nice. Yeah, I fix my hair because tomorrow is the 6th birthday of Celine. Thank you again for watching and bye.